Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the images and a place to host them. You should optimize files for web, resize, compress, and keep file names simple. Once done, upload to your chosen host, Google Drive, Dropbox, Imgur, or your own server, and set sharing to public or link access. Make sure folder structure stays consistent so links are predictable. This first step prevents broken links later and speeds the rest of the process, because the link you create next points directly to these hosted files. Now you generate the actual links that point to the photos. Locate the file in your host, choose the share or copy link option, and confirm it returns the raw image, not a preview page. If the service gives a preview link, convert it to a direct URL or use the host's direct download parameter. Once you have the direct link, test it in a browser tab to ensure only the image loads. Make sure URL uses HTTPS for secure embedding and consistent access across platforms. Finally, place the links where you need them: website code, emails, or chat. Use HTML IM tags or Markdown image syntax for embedding and confirm dimensions or responsive behavior. Once embedded, preview on desktop and mobile to ensure proper loading. If something fails, check 3 common issues: hosting permissions, whether the URL is a direct image link, and whether the host enforces bandwidth limits. If problems persist, re-upload to an alternate host and update links so viewers can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.